Well, if you can believe it, we are already more than halfway through 2024. So that means we're about halfway through tax season, of course. WCNC Charlotte's Megan Bragg is verifying some changes we're going to see come next year and how you could start getting ahead now.
Our source is Mark Steber, Tax Information Officer with Jackson Hewitt Tax Services and the IRS. In a time of electronics, you probably use popular apps like Zelle, Venmo, PayPal, and others. Since their inception, people would fill out a 1099 if they made more than $20,000 through those apps. Now, for 2024,
so they changed it last year for this year to $5,000. So if you've got $5,000 of transactions, business is what we're talking about here. That will get a 1099 issued to you and to the IRS.
This is one of the phases in the 2021 American Rescue Plan. It will eventually go down to a $600 reporting threshold. So what if you were just splitting lunch and use a third-party app to pay someone back?
Personal activity, loaning money, sending money back and forth to your family, even just splitting the lunch bill with your friends. That's personal activity, and that is not what is meant to be captured by this.
However, because this is a new threshold, Steber says there may be some confusion when it's time to do your taxes. So start planning and tracking now.
So there's probably going to be some startup changes, that are going to get confusing information to the taxpayer in the way of a false 1099. But the IRS has already anticipated that, and they have transactional correction measures.
If you do have any questions or you do get a 1099 when you don't think you should, there are ways to work through it by talking with a tax professional. With your Verify, I'm Megan Bragg.
Folks, if there's something you want us to verify, all you got to do, email us at verify@wcnc.com.